funny how this happens. Every morning, my kids wake up hungry. So I feed them and we get started with our day. This Saturday, we did end up at the Home Depot looking for a new mop. We moseyed on over to our local Walmart because I have a project in mind. So I needed yellow yarn and I also needed black yarn. Oh, and let's not forget, I will also need needles. So we gathered all that and I couldn't help myself. I saw this beautiful peace lily and I just had to have her. Got home and got the boys settled and figured I'd go ahead and talk to you all a little bit about junk journals. So as you know, I make junk journals. What is a junk journal? Well, a junk journal is everything that it sounds like. You basically use items that you would have discarded, such as this box right here. I'm opening it up, and as you can see, the inside is bare. But if you take a close look, we have a front and a back cover here, and we also have a spine. So I just get to folding, and you can see the formation of the book a little bit better that way. I think it's absolutely genius. I love crafting these books. Let me show you a little bit more. So once I go ahead and find the perfect box, I then cover the box and I reinforce it so we actually have a book cover. I go ahead and decorate the inner parts of the book cover so it no longer looks like a janky old box. I typically cover my books with fabrics. I love the beautiful fabrics that are available to us out and about now, so I'll use anything from an old t-shirt to beautiful fabrics. And if you notice, this box is an old mailing box. There is really no limit to what you can use to create a beautiful, beautiful book. Do you see it coming along? Do you see what I see? Once we have our book cover, we then make signatures. Now the signatures are the inner pages that we'll be writing on. I like to decorate mine and make it colorful and beautiful. You can use these books for recipes, scrapbooking, pictures, artwork. Honestly, the list goes on, and I just love making them. I started making these a few years ago and I have not stopped since. So I have these clips stuck in here because I will be hand sewing, binding the pages together. Here is a more recent journal that I created. I loved it. I added beads, I added some decor on the front. I'm not finished with it. It's definitely a work in progress, but here is some of the insides. Like I said, I just add beautiful papers, blank papers so I can write, artful papers. This right here is coffee dyed paper. There are lots of little hidden goodies and fun things in junk journals. Here is a book within the book. So you basically open that up. These books are so much fun to make. They can have special themes or be as plain as you like. The whole point of a junk journal is simply turning your trash into treasure, and I'm all for it. Really enjoy the process of doing this, and I think this is gonna be a craft that I continue to enjoy for years to come. Absolutely. Hot mess. I'm about to go buy some fish for dinner. So that's what we about to do. And of course I got my girl with me looking crazy, but I got a baddie by my side though. side note, I just found out today that these beloved flashlights from the Dollar Tree are magnetic. Family, I want to show you all my carry for this weekend. This was the Dooney & Bourke Bitsy bag, and she's just a small version of our beloved Zip Zip Satchel by Dooney & Bourke. I believe this is the color Caramel. I am really happy to have this in my collection for those days, for those weekends when I really don't want to carry a lot. I just want my essentials. This is the perfect size carry for me. So she's about 9 inches long, just about. She's about 7 inches high, and she's about 3.5 inches wide. So those are just approximate numbers, you all, but I was just showing you that she is a mini, and this is a comfortable size for me. I know a lot of tiny bags have popped on the scene recently, but this one right here is a really comfortable size where I can get in my essentials plus a little extra. And this for me is a bag that I grab when I'm just gonna run out for about an hour or two. I don't want any fuss. I don't want to be bogged down by a bunch of things, but I still want to keep it cute. So she has a long strap for your convenience, can be worn as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. It's adjustable as well. We're loving the top handles on the purse, even more convenience. You choose, she does fit on your wrists, on most wrists. And like I said, I just packed the essentials. She does have a zippered back pocket and a slip pocket on one side, and on the other side, she has a slip pocket as well. I was able to fit my Juicy Couture wallet inside the slip pocket. I was also able to fit in a smaller sized makeup pouch. I only have my Fenty lip gloss in here and my Fenty powder in the top, and I have some wipes in here as well, hand wipes and girly wipes, and then I do have my soap sheets. So just a mix of some bathroom and cosmetic supplies in here. I did not do a bathroom pouch. Obviously, I was just running out to the Home Depot and I just needed something quick. I did manage to bring my snack bag, and in this little pouch, I have some mints. I have some gummy, what are these called? Fruit Smiles. I had some Fruit Smiles. I have a granola bar, and then we have some Now-Laters also. And that's that. I have my mini date book here, and this is used not only as a calendar, but I like to keep lists in here and just things I can transfer over to my bigger calendar book. Also have a tiny hand sanitizer. And this is passion fruit and banana flower. And I have my house keys in here. And I do have the keys hanging off of the key leash. And I have a pen in the slip pocket in the back. So that was everything that I carried in my Bitsy bag this weekend. A great carry when you just want to grab a few things and keep it moving. And I was able to do that comfortably this weekend. So shout outs to the Bitsy bag. I purchased this Bitsy bag, I want to say I bought this about 5-6 years ago also, when I first went loony for Dooney. So thank you all for letting me share. Thank you for spending some time with me and seeing how I get down on a Sunday. Talk to y'all soon. Peace and love.